If you love black beans, today is your lucky day.
Today we are making one of my favorites, Brazilian style black beans.
If you enjoy Chipotle's black beans, this recipe is 10 times better. However, this recipe isn't for the faint of heart. Take a look at this. Yes, we'll be using pig's feet. You'll need to locate a Brazilian market nearby and search for this sausage called linguiça calabresa. It needs to be fried first. Now, let's cut a slab of smoked bacon like this. Remove the Brazilian sausage after it reaches this color. Then put the bacon in the pan. While the bacon is cooking, let's cut the sausage like this. By the way, if you like my knife, you can get one for free when you purchase another. Just visit the link in our bio. The bacon is starting to look really good now. When it reaches this color, it's time to remove it. Now, let's fry the pig's feet and smoked hocks. In a pressure cooker, place your bacon and Brazilian sausage. There's a saying that once you try Brazilian sausage, you never go back. Now, add the rest of the meat. I have a feeling that this pressure cooker will be too small for all the meat. Yes, it is. I'll remove one of the pig hocks and save it for another day. It's perfect now. Add your black beans. Let's add Brazilian style salsa. For an extra kick, you'll need Brazilian style Creole. Add spring water up to the limits of your pressure cooker. Also, include garlic powder and onion powder. To enhance the flavor significantly, add bay leaves. It will make all the difference. Close the hatch and cook it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After the time is up, look at this. It smells so good. Look at this piece of pure flavor. It looks good, doesn't it? The meat is falling off the bones. Here is the Brazilian sausage. But we're not done yet.
Looking good, man.
Let's crush some garlic. I love the sound of it being crushed, don't you? Don't forget about this knife. It's on sale. Buy one and get one free. Add the garlic to the pan you used to fry all the meat. My fire is on high heat now. Let's give a little color to that garlic. Pour all the meat and the beans into the pan, Just like that. Reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for 5 minutes. You're done, my friend. Here are the pig's feet. Here's the bacon. And here's the Brazilian sausage. I'll serve it with white rice. I wish you were here. These Brazilian-style beans smell amazing. Well, you have my recipe. Enjoy. Let me know if you're going to try it at least.
Good stuff.